Hello friends, now we start small sum, that is the question number 7 now. So in question number 7 it is given that Ram, Rahim and Ishu are the partners of a partnership firm. Their capital on 1/4/16 was 60, 40 and 50 respectively. After the distribution of the profit of the year, it was realized that the charging of 6% interest on partners capital account was missed out. So in this case interest on capital is not recorded by mistake. So we have to record it and rectify the error by entry with the help of entry. Write an entry for the rectification of the error. Okay. So first of all, now question number 7 now. First of all, we write here the name of the partners, and partner's name is, that is Ram. Second partner's name is Rahim. And third partner's name is Ishu. Now here that is a capital of all the partners, that is a capital, interest on capital, interest on capital. Now see here total amount is here 60,000 for Ram. On 60,000, 6%, 6 6 is 36, 3600. So 3600 is the interest on Ram. That is a 60,000 into 6%, that is 3600. Next one is Rahim, amount is 40,000, and for next partner Ishu, amount is 50,000. So on 40,000, 4 6 are 24, 2 400. And for 50,000, 5 6 are 30, that is a 3,000. Okay. Now add this three value. Now 3600 plus 2400 plus 3,000. So your value will be 9,000. So 9,000. And one thing is that here profit and loss ratio is not given. And when profit and loss ratio is not given, divide the profit in equal proportion. So ratio is 1:1:1. Okay. So total is here 9,000. So now interest on capital is divided between all the partners in 1:1:1 now. Because profit and loss ratio is not given, and interest on capital is expense for the firm. And divide between the partners in equal proportion because ratio is not given. So interest on capital for total is 9,000. 9,000 is divided into ratio 1:1:1. So here amount is 3,000. Here amount is 3,000. Here amount is 3,000. So here minus the amount. So here amount is 600. Here amount is minus 600. And here 3,000 minus 3,000, value will be 0. Okay. Now in this case Ram is receiving 600 and Rahim has to pay 600. So here entry is Rahim's capital account debit. Rahim's capital account debit to Ram's capital account. So here amount is 600, here amount is 600. So this error will be rectified. Okay. So here entry is Ram's capital account debit to, Rahim's capital account debit to Ram's capital account. So now question number 7 is over. Now we go for question number 8. So in question number 8 is given, Lata, Geeta and Praveena are partners of a partnership firm. After distribution of the profit of the year, it was realized that charging of interest on partners drawing account, respectively 2700, 1200, 1500, was missed out. Write an entry for the rectification of error. Okay. Now this is the interest on drawing is the income for the firm. In previous sum, the interest on capital as an expense for the firm. So interest on drawing, that is the income for the firm. So total is here 2700 for first partner, second partner 1200 and for third partners 1500. Total will be 5400. So write down here interest on drawing. Interest on drawing, and this 5400 is divided into ratio 1:1:1. So divided by 3, value will be here 1800. And for three partners, first partner's name is Lata, second partner's name is Geeta, and third partner's name is Praveena. So here total amount is 1800 is given to all the partners equally, because profit and loss ratio is not given. So divide the amount equally in all the partners. Now form is already calculated here. Amount is given to 700, 1200 and 1500. Now this amount is minus from the upper side. So interest on drawing, amount is given question 2700 for first partner, second partner is 1200, and for third partner's amount is 1500. Now minus this amount from upper side, value will be 0. Now here 18 minus 27, that is 27 minus 18, that is 9. So here 8 minus 2, that is 6, and here value will be plus, here value will be minus. So here value will be plus 300. So now minus amount is debited and plus amount is credited. Okay. So here entry is Lata's capital account debit. Lata's capital account debit rupees 900 to Geeta capital account, amount is 600 to Praveena capital account, amount is rupees 300. So here question number 8 is now finished. Okay, now we second video for sum number 9 is in the second video. So thanks a lot.